Ministry of Education Private Schools, Vantage International Kindergarten. Good morning, Kg1 to Barney class. My name is Miss Olive Santos and it's science time. Welcome back, Kg1 2. Today we're going to learn how animals move. Animals that can fly and animals that can swim. Animals can fly. Examples of these animals are birds and eagles. They have wings that can fly. These are examples of animals that can swim. The fish and the shark. They all live on water. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn and have fun with me. See you again next time. Have a great day.